Hi, it's Daniel here from Spa Supplies, and today I'm taking you through a tutorial on how to use our custom cover tool. For Alpine Spas customers that are needing a new spa pool cover, we do have a range of pre-made covers available on our website. All you have to do is navigate to the covers category and find a spa pool cover that suits your model. Now you can click into the different options and find your model listed under the compatibility list here, which is inside the description of the product. For non-Alpine Spas customers, there may actually be a pre-made cover that suits your spa pool. So once you've got your measurements, be sure to go to our covers category and have a look to see if anything's suitable, as we might just have it in stock and you'll be able to get it a lot sooner. But if there isn't an option available and you'd like to order a custom-made spa pool cover, then navigate to our spa pool custom cover product and get started by downloading our cover measurement guide. This is available off the product page here. And this is a downloadable or printable PDF that takes you through the complete process for measuring your spa pool cover. And there's 4 key measurements that you're going to get, which is measurement A, B, C, and D. And if you have a circular spa, because it's a circle, you only need the one width and length measurement, so that's just the measurement A that you need. And then you don't need corner radius, you only need measurement A and the cover skirt measurement, which is measurement D. So once you've got your measurements, all you need to do is hit the Create My Cover button, which will pop out our tool. And then you just simply follow through the options here and add the product to cart. So first of all, you'll just select a shape that is most accurate or represents your spa pool cover. So for this purpose, I'm going to go with a square cover. It's the most common type. Now the next thing you'll need to do is select whether or not one of the length or width, so that's A or B, is over 240 centimeters. And if it is, you'll need to actually send through an order form because we need to provide a custom quote for those larger sizes. If it's under 240 centimeters in both measurement A and B, then select no and continue on through the process. Next option will be choosing a color of your cover. So we have 4 different options available. That's charcoal, Tuscan, grey, which is a lighter grey, and coffee. Of course, whatever screen that you are looking at will show these swatches slightly differently, and that's just down to screen shading and contrast. If you want to take a look at how some of those colours look on actual spas, there are some photos available here on the product that you can click through and see. For this purpose, I'm going to choose the charcoal colour to continue. And that's going to pop open the next set of measurements that you'll need to have entered that you've grabbed by following the cover guide. You also get a handy top-down view and side view of the cover. And these are actually responsive to the measurements that you are inserting. So for the tutorial's sake, I'm going to enter a cover that's 210 centimeters for measurement A, and that's now represented here on the top-down view. So measurement A is always a measurement across the fold. And then for measurement B, that is parallel with the fold of the cover. Now in this case, because it's a square spa, I'm going to enter 210 again. If you do need to be reminded about what these measurements represent, you can get straight to the page on the form by hovering over this wee question mark, and it'll take you to the page in the PDF that's relevant. Step 2 is the corner radius. So again, this is how rounded the edges of your spa pool and spa pool cover are. So in this case, I'm going to enter 23 centimeters. That's represented here on the diagram. And then for step 3, this is the cover skirt length. So if we're looking side on at just the cover here, we can see that this is a measurement of the skirt of the cover. That's the flap piece that hangs down over the side of the spa. I'm going to enter 10 centimeters. Now the next fields are actually optional, but any extra information that you can give us, the better. So I'm going to say that It's a Trueform Wanaka Spa that I'm sizing up a cover for. And if you do happen to have a picture of your spa pool, you can also upload that as well. Now it's just the remaining terms and conditions here to confirm and agree to. If you'd like to read the full T's and C's, you can click on this link here. Once you've agreed, tick the box and hit the Add to Cart button. Great. All right, that's been added to the cart, and all you need to do now is proceed to the checkout, fill out your details, use a payment method, and once that's confirmed, we'll begin preparing your custom cover. Thanks for watching.